Here we go again with Zine Doorables. I have in there Adoorbs doll to open up today. The clue for this one looks like an octopus leg. Hint, hint. As always, I'm going to get all these bags out to make this process a little bit more faster. Alright, bag number 1 is the keychain, and we got the crown. Looks like it's wrapped around with octopus legs. Next one we got, did not open that properly. Trying to squeeze those out. Okay, here are the boots, and it's Ursula. I like that, like iridescent look. The glare it gives off the lights. Moving on is Ursula herself, and she's wearing the crown. Gotcha, queen. Then the accessory for this one is a little handbag. Number 5. Let's check out her background. You poor unfortunate souls. Number 6, we got Billie. Here she is all put together. Very cute that they have even a hair clip of Ursula. And here's the keychain all put together. So the search definitely continues.